guys, I'm really happy to be coming at you from a bit of a different location today. We are in Los Cabos, Mexico. First time visiting this area of Mexico and really excited about it. You know what, just hang on one sec. Alright, so definitely not hoodie weather happening here. We just came in from cold Canada. Really beautiful resort we're staying at. We're staying at the Secrets here in Los Cabos. How about a quick room tour? So we've got the main bedroom. We have the desk, minibar, the shower, bathroom with jacuzzi. Alright, so the room is looking pretty good, but this is what it's all about. Check out the view. Gonna be some beautiful sunsets we're gonna see from here. It looks like the sun's gonna set pretty much right where that mountain is, and gonna be a real good time.
Wow! That is very good. Ooh. Wow! Yeah.
So you want to use the practice or not?
No. Okay with that. And that's how I earned the nickname Robin Hood the rest of the trip. Nope, not true. Somebody else won the tournament. They're calling him Robin Hood, dang it. Alright guys, so we are a couple of days in. We've been mostly just relaxing here around the resort. The next few days though, we have some fun stuff planned. One of the cool things that's happening right now is it's prime whale watching season. We've actually seen quite a few breach just here from shore. I've tried to get some footage, but they're a little bit too far out. So tonight we are taking a sunset cruise and hoping to get a closer look. Alright guys, so the cruise was awesome. It was really cool to see the arch of Cabo San Lucas. We did see a couple of whales, and as of right now, I'm not sure if the footage turned out. You guys will have already seen it, but today we've got something pretty fun planned. We got two things going on. We're going to be doing a little off-roading and something kind of different involving camels. Is it just me, or did that sound wrong? Alright, so no cameras apparently while we're driving. They are going to take some pictures for me, so hopefully they get some good ones. So that was tons of fun. Unfortunately, again, I couldn't bring my own cameras along for the trip, but it was still a great time. Today is actually the next day. It is Valentine's Day, and my wife is still a little bit jealous of the camel kiss. The camel's name was Lucy, by the way. Today, though, we are all about the city. We're going into Cabo San Lucas to check out the town. find this one, but they didn't have it in red. Dang it. Alright guys, so that is it. It's our last day of the trip. Cabo San Lucas was such a cool town. Just a beautiful little city and lots to do. We had a lot of fun there. The unfortunate thing about this area, if you're into water sports, and I'm big into water sports, is a lot of the beaches are not swimmable. There's a big undertow, so it's pretty dangerous to get into the water. So that's something to consider if you're thinking of coming down to the area. So I had a blast. I really appreciate you guys stopping by. I have a ton of watch content coming up here very soon. Also, another little travel video towards the end of March, so look out for that. Thanks so much, and we'll see you real soon. Bye-bye. Love this town.
I got everything. What are you guys looking for?
Nothing.
I got nothing for 1995.
We'll take two.
Okay.